Hey Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun fans, today I have for you a video of the room locations so you can see exactly where the tropical view, the pool view, the water park views, ocean front, everything. I've got it all nailed down, all the different buildings so you can see exactly where they're located, all the different buildings, that kind of thing, and potentially see the view that you might get from those buildings. A lot of the rooms are still being finished up, so I wasn't able to go inside of the rooms to see the views, but at least you can see from the ground level, you know, what kind of views you've got in the background. I did film an intro previously. It was in slow motion. So we're doing it from the pool. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Got lots more videos coming in the works and gonna share everything we can. Okay, this is building number 1 at Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun. I'm gonna do the room locations for you and break it down. So here we have on the end unit, this is the master suites, ocean front master suites. So that's all 4 of these. Get a little closer. And then on the bottom, we've got the pool walkouts. So they're not swim up suites, but they're like 10 feet away from the pool. So you really can't go wrong with that. And then you've got the ocean front junior suites. And those are either a king bed or a double bed. And you've got the pool right here. And this is how close you are to the beach. So it's a pretty amazing view. Okay, this is building 2, so we're right behind building 1, and these are tropical view. On the ground floor, of course, you've got the pool walkouts, again about 8 to 10 feet away from this pool area. And then these top 3 suites here are actually ocean view, but here's the thing. Turn around. And that's the view. So obviously if you're in the corner, you're not going to have really much of any kind of ocean view. But I would say for the vast majority of these suites, they will have at least a partial ocean view. And when you compare that to other resorts out there, that's actually a pretty impressive thing. And incidentally, you can book out this whole section. So I mentioned on one of the other videos, if you're having a wedding here, you could actually request all of building 2 for your group of guests, and then this pool would effectively be yours. And just around the corner there is one of the bars and grills, so easy access to drinks, pretty cool quiet area, gorgeous views. All right, this is building 3, so everything obviously 1, 2, and 3 in order. And in this section, all the bottom rooms are the pool walkouts. Then basically everything on the 3rd and 4th floor are ocean view up to here where you've got palm trees in front. So obviously those would be tropical view. And then on the 2nd floor all across are also tropical view. Again, we'll turn around. So you've got another pool right in front of this section, and it's a little bit deeper here than the main pool. So a little bit cooler in the hotter months. And then that's the view. So doing some final construction. That's the first I've heard of that kind of noise. But as you can see in the background, just past this corner bar, which is snacks such as burgers and pizzas, and there's also a bar there. And then you've got the ocean just in behind. So there you go. Okay, and behind building number 3, we have building number 4, and this is right behind the spa. There's some little iguanas. Yeah, it scared me. Anyways, so the building number 4 is a little bit different because it's got rooms on both sides. Now, on the other side, it's really not a view of anything other than gardens, whereas at least on this side, you have a view of the pool. So these would be pool view suites. The other ones would be junior suites, tropical view. The higher numbers are the ones that are the tropical view, but it's all going to be based on what room category you've booked. You've also got your own pool area here and very close access to the spa, where they do the water therapy and the outdoor treatment huts. And this is quite a large pool. And then beyond building 4, you have building 5, and further back is building 6. Now, with these ones, we have the majority are pool view, except for the bottom, the back sort of top, third and second floor, and I think it's the top two on the end of this building, which are considered tropical view, and everything else is pool view except for the ground floor, which is the pool walkouts. So they're obviously working still on this area and getting it all finished, but it's coming along. So that's basically this section. That's everything that's on the north side of the resort, and let's go check out the other side. Okay, this is building 7, which they're still putting some finishing touches on, and we've got a combination of rooms in this particular building. So at the end we've got oceanfront master suites, and we've got a couple of regular oceanfront rooms, as well as here with the double patio or balcony, we've got master suites. And these are just oceanfront master suites. All of these ones here, all of these ones here. Those are 1 unit per floor. And then we've got a couple more. These are ocean fronts. And then where we've got the buildings above the open airway, we have oceanfront here. And these again are oceanfront. That's an oceanfront master. And then on the top, all of that is the presidential suite. So that's all together. The master suites have a jacuzzi on the balcony. You can see that there. Whereas the regular suites just have the lounger, the day bed, which is really nice. It's quite firm, very comfortable for sitting on. And of course, you're right beside the water park. And just back up a little bit here so we're not filming these people. And so from here, this is building 7. Is really one of the closest to the ocean, and the ground floor rooms, if it's a regular room, it's a pool walkout. If it's a master suite, such as this one here, then it's just a master suite. There is no separate category for oceanfront master suite walkout, pool walkout. They don't have that category. So if you want to request that, you could certainly send that request in. And then this is the view you're going to have. Pretty amazing. And you're also very close to the water park. There you go. So you've got the water slides here, and then just around the corner is the kids' splash park. Okay, so this is building 8. We're just behind building 7, which is the oceanfront rooms, as well as some of the master suites, and of course the presidential up on the top there. These rooms are all considered pool view, other than the ground floor, which is pool walkouts junior suites. Okay. The rooms go here from lowest to highest. It's a little bit different in each building. And so obviously if you are at this end of the building, you're going to have a slightly better view than those ones in the corner. In the corner, they're only going to have a view of the pool. But if you're at this end and you're on your balcony, you might be able to see that ocean view through that little cubby hole there. Of course, and you'll also see the main pool area and possibly a peekaboo view between the restaurants La Pareja and Balik. Okay, and this is building number 9, right beside building number 8 and number 7 at the front of the resort. These rooms are all water park view. So this is actually the most basic lead-in room category that you can get. There are some rooms on the ground floor. Those are not splash park walkout rooms. They're just regular water park view. And there's the kids club right there on the side. So if you're up higher, I'll flip around and show you the view after you see the water park, which has, it's really nice play area, pretty shallow water, so it's great for the kids. And on the rooms, the lower numbers start here. So if you want to request 9-4 would be 4th floor, 9-404, so 9-401, 2, 3, 4, etc. as you go across. If you're in the corner, you're only going to have a view of the splash park. But if you're on this corner, you're going to have this view. So you're going to have a peekaboo view of the ocean, as well as the big water slides, which they're working on right now. Okay, so this is building 10, and beyond it is building 11. We can't actually see this area because it is still under construction. Now, these rooms do have their own pool area in behind, and so on the ground floor you will of course have the pool walkouts, but the rest of the rooms in this category, in this section of building 10 and 11, are considered tropical view, and again either king or queen bed. And so you're at the back of the resort. There's no ocean view or anything like that, but you are close proximity to the restaurants because that's just here. And also building 9, as I said, is the splash park. So if you want close proximity to the splash park for the kids club, and the water slides, this is a pretty good location.